Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying this little duet. It's really easy to learn. It's specifically geared toward very beginners on violin, and it's specifically written so that you don't struggle with rhythm very much. You don't have any eighth notes. You don't have very complicated rhythms here. So it's a pretty straightforward ordeal. Half notes, quarter notes, some dotted half notes. That's basically it. And remember to use metronome when you're practicing this so that you can kind of get used to uniform tempo. It's helpful, especially when you're playing an ensemble later with another person or with an MP3 recording. By the way, I'm gonna leave MP3s for first violin and second violin on my Patreon page. So if you're watching this on YouTube membership, you're not gonna have access to that. So please consider subscribing to my Patreon. That is where you're gonna see the PDF of this file, of this Duet PDF file, as well as MP3s, so you can play along. It's really cool, really nice. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying the little videos I'm making, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it.